Guys, welcome back to PJ Clicks 42.
Look at this fry.
Give me
I said
one.
large fry.
So I will be trying some Popeyes today. Here are the fries. So I'm just going to start off by trying the fries. Let's start off by trying this fry. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm. I can hold myself. Okay, the fries are actually very good. I'm gonna take one more. And then another one after that one. And then I'll rate them because I need to eat 3 to see the real taste. Mmm. Okay. 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 Fries are actually really good. A lot of taste. Not spicy. So now let's try this Popeyes chicken sandwich. I've never had this, if you guys thought I've had this, okay? So, oh my gosh. Look. Oh, geez, okay. This chicken sandwich looks good. The bread looks good, everything looks good. Besides the, oh my gosh. It already tastes better than Chick-fil-A's, okay. Look at this. The camera now. Okay, let's taste test it. It's hot. That's hot. Okay. Chicken is good, bread is good, let's try both. Except on the side with a smaller amount. Okay, here's what it looks like if you guys were not able to see. Let's taste test. I barely got a bite there. Try to get another bite here. I'm just gonna put the camera down so you guys can see me right there. Here we go. Good food. This is good for lunch. Even though it's not lunch, it's basically just. And the fries were 1 through 5, definitely. Or rated 1 through 5. Right. Probably a 5. No, 3. What are the fries? Chicken sandwich. Still debating on. So much chicken. Easy to like pulling over this thing. That was good. And then here is an honeybees. Let's check out this my chicken. It's good. Very good. The chicken itself is it's a 3 without the sandwich, without the bread. The bread itself is a 5. The chicken and the bread is a 5. It beats Chick-fil-A. This is good. Do you like it, Mommy?
I think it's really good. What
So
do you
do
think?
5-star.
Me?
You're giving it a 5-star?
So this is my rating. From a pure just taste, if all we're looking at is taste and quality of the sandwich, I will rate it ahead of Chick-fil-A. It's a better sandwich. You have to consider
On a scale of 1 to 5.
all of
5. Daddy's giving it a 5.
them.
I say it's 5.
I'd say it was a 5.
I'd rank it ahead of Wendy's, ahead of Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
Now, here's the kicker though.
Pickles maker.
It is 300 more calories almost than both of those.
Is it really?
Chick-fil-A's is 440 and Wendy's is like 5 something.
Did you see all this mayonnaise on here?
Okay, well, thank you guys for watching my video. Goodbye.